Well, that can't be right. Hello there. Today we're fixing the fuel flap on this Nissan Primera P12 because it's ridiculously stiff and reluctant to open. It's rather noisy too. So let's have a look and figure out what's wrong. And of course the obvious suspect is the hinge, which starts here at the bottom and goes all the way up to there. So is it twisted? Is it out of place? Is it bent? Is it in any other way damaged? Doesn't look it, does it? It is very dirty though. It's dirty in here as well. So, as there's no obvious damage, what we'll do now is clean the area, lubricate it thoroughly, and then we'll see what's what. So we'll clean it with a little bit of car shampoo and water. Now this problem came from nowhere really. The fuel flap had been working absolutely fine, and then the other day I went to buy petrol. And I virtually had to break my way in with a crowbar. So we need to get this sorted. Right, let's give it a clean. Now a couple of years ago, Mrs. CarSpyTV and I went to a restaurant and you had to wash your hands on the way in. Now there was a guy who worked there on the door who had a huge personality. And he was dressed in bright, vibrant clothes. And as you approached the door, he'd say, wishy-washy, wishy-washy, and hand you soap. And now every time I clean something, all I think is wishy-washy, wishy-washy, however hard I try to forget. Right, well that is clean enough, so now we need to lubricate. GT85 is our lubricant of choice. It's also a penetrant, and that's important for today's job. And in addition, it says on the back in small writing that it prevents squeaking, which is handy because that fuel flap is mighty noisy. So let's get spraying. And we're applying a fairly generous amount of the product over the hinge. And then what we're going to do is be patient and give it time to work. And while we're waiting, have a look at this. There's a mini excavator there. Neat, isn't it? Okay, it's been a few minutes, so let's now close and open the fuel flap a few times to work in that lubricant. Oh, that's a lot better straight away. Oh yeah, a lot better. Things are going well. I think though, just for luck, we may as well add a little bit more. It's not going to do any harm. And you never know, it may do a bit of good. Sorted. So there you go. That's how to fix the sticky fuel flap in a Nissan Primera P12 and of course many other types of car as well. Now, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to CarSpyTV. That makes it easier to keep up to date with all the things that break around here. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video, and I'll see you next time. Right, I'm off to buy petrol.